Nagbabalik ang The X Factor Philippines. And before we proceed to our last performer for tonight, we would like to, of course, thank Von Samson, the XFP Band, and Joanne Ligo and the XFP Dancers. And we'd also like to say hi, good evening, and welcome to tonight's guests, the LA Dancers. Isa sa kanila nag-perform with Madonna daw, di ba? May mga kwento yung mga yan. Sila ang nag-dance party dito habang commercial break. But anyway, hi guys, enjoy the show, the rest of the show. Back to the competition, mga kapamilya. Siyempre, Judge Martin, galing sa category mo ang last performer natin ngayong gabi. At siya na siguro marahil ang most controversial among all our finalists dito sa X Factor. Anong masasabi mo tungkol doon?
That's very true, Casey. Sometimes I wish I could send him home earlier. In fact, he thinks he's going home every Sunday, but because of your texts, he's still here. Hate him, love him, bash him, love him again. There's only one, Kedebon. Never say die attitude. These are the qualities of a superstar.
Kedebon!
Sa audition pa lang, yung nanay ko, tuwang-tuwa na, gumugulong. Lalo na, naging top 8. Mas matindi pa siguro sa gulong nangyayari doon. There are times na namimiss ko rin sila. Ano kaya yung buhay nila sa Cebu? Sila lang to sa sapatos ko. Buti na lang, nagpadala yung mama ko ng pera. Galing Cebu. Ano bang get up ko para sa performance ko?
Try mo mag-online shop.
Astig, shoes! Ang dami palang choices dito!
Free delivery na. Cash on delivery pa.
Makabili na!
Tara, dito tayo. He is a bundle of joy. He's full of energy. So we have to find a song that's medyo bagay sa kanya and then some more.
Para kay Cesar Aguas, sana yung kanta mo aabot sa top 7 para maabutan ko pa yung birthday ko next week.
Maraming nag-e-small din kay Kedebon. He's made a name for himself already.
Mula kayo, people of the Philippines. And I will show you the pretty face inside of me. Let's get it on.
Kedebon, call him!
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pag-iyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako na sa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pagmamahal na hindi magbabago. At habang buhay na ipaglalaban ko, kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lang ang tunay kong minamahal at lagi kong dinarasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At langit kong hiling ay makapiling ka muli. Kailangan kita. Kailangan kita.
All right. Good job, boy.
Kedebon.
Hello po.
Kedebon.
Hello po.
I call him the magician. And these beautiful people from LA should have seen him dance.
Yes.
Yeah, talaga naman. Pero you know, ito kasi yung ito yung kiti-kiti. I call him kiti-kiti, lihok ng lihok. He should be the one under Mr. Pure Energy. Because he never stops. This is the first time. Ngayon ko lang nakita na ikaw pala, pwede ka rin kumanta pala ng serious, di ba? Pero mukhang, pwede ka rin mag-serious, pero yung mukha mo hindi serious.
Seryoso
Parang
na
hindi
yun.
serious ang mukha niya. Pero pwede pala ikaw kumanta ng serious na kanta. Ewan ko lang kung it was ewan ko lang, parang parang medyo nahirapan ka dun sa mababa na tono, no? Hindi mo naaabot, di ba? Pero, okay ka, pwede ka pa rin. Kumanta ng ballad!
Kedebon, doon sa auditions ng X Factor, binanggit ko na hindi lisensya ng isang contestant ang magamit ng kanta ko o kanta ng bawat ng isa sa mga judges dito para makakuha ng yung ganon klaseng reaction mula sa amin. Itong kanta na kailangan kita, narinig ko na yung mga ibang nota mo, parang pumapalakpak ang tao dahil ginagawa mo ang lahat para matamaan. Ang advantage mo, Kedebon, na ito masasabi ko sa kahit sino man ang nanalo dito sa X Factor, kung wala ito, wala rin, ay puso. When you come out on stage, kahit energetic ka, kahit ganito ka, you seem to have so much heart in what you do, on stage and off stage. So, medyo critical talaga ako dito sa kanta na to dahil ako yung kumanta. Ginawa ni Ogie Alcacid.
Martin Rivera also.
Martin Rivera, siya ang siguro pumili ng kanta. Martin?
You always forget me.
So, basta, no, I just want
I'm
you
right
to know
beside
na I appreciate your heart. Dun lang sa mga ibang nota, medyo lumihis ng konti. Dun sa original na melody.
Thank you po.
Kedebon. Okay. Everybody loves you, but
That's
let's
right.
be serious. Not this song. At all. I think na-gets ko na tinatry mo yung slow songs, which is na-appreciate ko, pero the whole thing is you can't do this again. If ever na makakapasok ka next week. But whatever happens, kahit anong mangyari, I still love you, Kedebon.
Thank you po.
Alam mo naman, anak. Alam mo naman lahat yung sinasabi na totoo lahat, di ba? You have to really learn to sing these ballads only because sa isang concert, hindi pa rin naman puro mabilis,
Tama.
puro pang sayaw. You have to learn those songs. But you know what, the reason why I want you up here on this stage, why I feel everyone wants you here, dahil sa showbiz, sa multimedia stars, hindi lang singer ang hinahanap natin, di ba? Hinahanap din yung entertainer. And that's what I think you are. Sing, dance, slow, fast, it doesn't matter. As long as you can move me, as long as masaya kami, you did your job well.
That's right.
Good boy. Happy
Maraming
birthday.
salamat. Judges! Kedebon, you are so very serious tonight. So very serious. Pati ang judge is serious. Pero guys, mga kapamilya, if you want to vote for Kedebon, remember it's XF space KED. But you have to wait as we open the voting lines after mag-exit ni Kedebon. Kaya thank you very much, Kedebon!
Thank you, Dad.
Okay, guys, because all 8 finalists have performed tonight, voting lines are now open. Just type XF space, name of your favorite contestant, and send to 2331 for Globe TM and Sun Cellular, or 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. You can also vote online by using ABS-CBN vote cards. Just go to xfactor.abs-cbn.com for more details. Kaya mga kapamilya, start voting na ngayon na for that finalist na sa tingin ninyo ay may X Factor, and kung sino sa tingin ninyo ay magiging next multimedia singing superstar. Nasa inyo yan ang kapangyarihan for the results night tomorrow, okay? Isa kaya ito sa tatlong boys ni Martin, ang X Factor Philippines Grand Winner. For Gabriel, it's G-A-B, Gab. Kay Jeric, it's J-E-R-I-C. And for Kedebon, it's Ked, K-E-D. Isa kaya ito sa dalawang grupo ni Gary V. For Takeoff, it's Take, T-A-K-E. Sa Daddy's Home, it's Dad, D-A-D. May X Factor ba guys ang mga palaban na girls ni Charisse? For Allen, it's Allen, A-L-L-E-N. At para naman kay KZ, it's K-Z. O ang next multimedia singing superstar ba ay nasa natitirang pambato ni Miss Pilita? For Joanne, it's Joanne, J-O-A-N. Ayan na mga kapamilya, vote lang ng vote. Starting now, vote wisely. Piliin ang nararapat na umabot sa Grand Finals. And guys, piliin kung sino ang pwede nating ihilera sa mga international artists. Katulad na lang ni na Leona Lewis at One Direction, di ba? Sino kaya sa ating 8 finalists ang pwedeng ihilera sa mga yan? Kaya huwag hayaan na malagay sa panganib ang deserving na finalist. Kaya vote lang ng vote. And to help you choose kung sino ang dapat inyong suportahan, here is a quick recap ng mga naging performances ngayong gabi. Watch this.
Jeric Medina,
Dahan-dahan ka lang, baka pati ka'y mapipina. Akin ka na lang, liligaw ka sa pag-ibig ko.
Joanda,
At aalis, mapapalik at ulitin, sabihin na mahalin at sambitin.
Daddy's Home,
See a single bird, what a joy. This time hungry and could expect some true and hope and respect.
Gabriel Maturan,
Pay now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day.
Takeoff,
Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ha, ha, para, ho, pa, para. Pa, pa, para,
Alan Santa Maria,
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw lamang. Ako'y para sa'yo hanggang mo'y kailanman.
Casey Tandingan,
Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay na tinulong.
Keneman Colin,
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang
Mga kapamilya, don't miss tomorrow's results show. Live na live dahil gracing the X Factor stage is OPM rock legend The Pepe Smith. Live na live po yan bukas para sa results show ng X Factor Philippines. Kaya sabay-sabay din nating alamin ang 7 pangalan na mag-a-advance sa live shows next week. And also kung kaninong X Factor dream naman ang matutulukan na. Maraming salamat sa ating finalists ngayong gabi. And of course, to our judges, thank you very much. Thank you, Bagcor, and thank you very much, Pilipinas, Kapamilya. This is the biggest musical event in the country. This is the X Factor Philippines.